Hello, I'm VICTOR FERIA. What's the idea behind the 360 Circles of Clean? It is an integrated approach that considers all the areas of your company with the purpose of keeping all of them clean, safe, and organized. We specialized in giving our customers the best products and services to fit their needs. In the middle is me, as a hub for all your requirements in products, communications, and services. We can also teach your personnel and suggest the best way to approach any issue to keep the office running smoothly. Beginning at the door with entrance mats, the perfect hand soap and sanitizers in the bathrooms and other areas of the workplace, or the proper hand paper products. We teach you how to set the right proportion of disinfectants to avoid sticky floors, passing through bandages and safety equipment to protect your employees in the warehouse. At the end of the day, we can help provide anything from hand soap to garbage bags. One company focus in providing all your needs on time and adjusted to your needs and budget. Let's talk. We don't just sell products. We give you peace of mind and let you be productive in what you must be. Call me and you will soon find out why I'm the plus here.